Well, good morning, traders. How is everybody doing today? I hope you're doing well. Um, we are Trading Logic. We're bringing you our Trading Logic recap for Tuesday, 6/2/20. Not a bad day. I mean, a little quiet, little soft on the action. There's a few things that moved, but it's been sideways. It's been a lot of sideways for a while now in the market, and you just got to take what the market gives you. Don't forget that. Don't try and force it. Trading logic, who we are, what we do. Um, we're a group of traders that have been in this for a long time. We understand the market thoroughly in every aspect you could possibly think of. And we run scanners every morning to look for the best early morning trades from 9:30 at the bell up to about 11:30 tops maximum. Most of the time it's 10 o'clock. 11:30 is overtime. Anyway, uh, so we use scanners to find those, and then we whittle that group down into one, two, three, four, five, six trades that we'll recommend for the day, approximately where to get in on those trades when the action starts. So that's what we do. That's how we do it. We have our own proprietary scanners that we use, and we're happy to share. Um, we're happy to share some of this information with you that we collect from the scanners to help you make some money. All right, so we're gonna move right in here, and we're gonna get started on our first one of the day. First one of the day was BHTG. BHTG. Okay, easy money on BHTG. Wasn't a monster hit, but it wasn't bad. It really wasn't bad. Uh, you see the white line that goes across the chart here. That is where we said to get in on this thing at $1.90. And if you got in at $1.90 on that first candle, which is where you should have gotten in because we said $1.90, then that popped up to 214. 3 minutes, 2 minutes, whatever that is. Bing, 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 done. You're done. You're out. Even if you got out at $2, it's still a 10-cent pop. Nice way to start the day. Bing, $10 or $100 or $1,000, whatever you're trading. But 190 to 214. That's a nice little move. It's 24 cents move. Um, so you got to kind of like it. Then it faded the rest of the day, and as I always say, who cares? Who cares if it fades into oblivion? As long as it does its thing early in the morning. Early in the morning. That's what we want. Early in the morning. So there we had that one. And then we had, let me see, what did we do next? I think it was, yes. INPX. This one tortured me. But a win is a win. Definitely a win is a win. INPX, we're talking about $1.88 being the number to look at when it opened up, which if you did, you got $1.88 to $1.90. Hey. But if you held on to it, which I doubt you would have, but if you waited for a second shot, you got $1.88. It opened up again $1.88 at about around 10ish, and shot up to $1.96. So not bad. That was where all your money is, right there. $1.88 to $1.96. Small win, but again, like I say, this is what pads your account throughout the year when we're going through sideways times. We're just waiting for that one big hit. This is the thing that helps keep you going. All right, so INPX, that worked out nicely, and it faded off hard at the end. I was keeping a couple of shares of it towards the end, hoping You know, when it dropped down to this $1.80 range, $1.75 range. I was hoping it was going to settle around $1.70 and then make a pop back up. But as of like 10:45 or so, it hadn't done that. So I bailed out on it. I think I bailed out right around $1.68. But I only had a quarter of my shares in it, so I was fine. But that's that. That was it for INPX. INPX did, it just did what it did. Cute little trade. Now, we got this guy, TENX. It's like it never happened. We wanted a trigger of $1.80. The only time we were going to be interested in this stock was at $1.80. Now, bear in mind, yes, it made a nice move from 220 up to 265 or so. Nice move. Can't argue with that. However, that did not fit the technical analysis. The technical analysis said $1.80. Okay? Can't even see $1.80 on this chart yet. I think the lowest it got down to was like 205 or something maybe. So it was on its way. I don't know, it might hit that. It probably will hit that, throughout the day. I'm sure it'll hit that number. Now, what it will do then, I don't know. It might do well, it might not. I don't know, hard to say. Let me see. Yeah, it did hit $1.80. I'm just looking at the charts now at 11.50. I'm doing this at 11.55. It hit $1.80 and now it's up to $1.84. So, there might be something in the tank there. Maybe, maybe not, but it is kind of late in the day. I can't really see what the volume is on this. I just pulled up a quick chart. So I don't know what the volume is, but who cares? I don't care. It never happened. It just never triggered. And there you go. So that's just a non-event, that one. Not much to talk about there, except it never happened. But, I don't really care that much because sometimes you can end up with a two times WWR. Love it. WWR. Okay. Now, let's get right into this. We see this white line across the chart, correct? All right. This white line across the chart is the get in range, 360. All right. So, technical analysis showed 360 was the number to get in at. If you got in at 360, you were rewarded with your first pop up to 395. See that little red mark there, 395? There you go. 395. So 360 to 395, that's 35 cents of a move. All right? Now, it tumbles down, gets under the 360, almost gets back to it again. Gets back to it again here. If you got in again, all right, if you got in it again, then it was going to bring you up to 380. So 360 to 380, that's 20 cents move. So we had a 360 to 395 was 35 cents move. 360 to 380 is 20 cents move. That's a 55-cent move. And then look what happened. It's gone. It's done. But nice, right? Absolutely nice. So even if you got out a little bit early, you got out a little lower here at 390 instead of 395, and you got out here at 375 instead of 380, who cares? It's still a nice move. Still a very nice move. So That little tiny red dot right there. That's where I got out. Anyway, so that's that. WWR two-timer. It's a two-timer. That's 3 days in a row now. Friday, Monday, and today we had a two-timer. Which, God, I love those. Because you just stare at that one chart all morning, and that's all you got to worry about. So there you have it. Not a bad day, 3 for 3, with one non-event. So, not bad. Now, most important, really, really important here, very important, follow us, like us, click buttons that say you are watching and you enjoyed the content. It's really, really important. We really need for you to do that. We're on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and obviously YouTube, because that's where you're watching this. But, you just got to like us. You have to do it. It's important. I can continue to bring you, right now, or 15, 16, I don't know, 16 days in a row green, 16 green days in a row, and we're 35, we've got 38 and 4 now, I think we are. Jeez, that's ridiculous, 38 and 4. I don't know about you, but 38 and 4 is pretty sweet. That's where I would like to be if I was trading, and that's pretty much where I am. But if you're not 38 and 4, you should start paying attention. All right? But please, if you could, just do the like and follow thing and all that good stuff, right? It's really important. Makes life easier. And now it is time for our final thoughts. Final thoughts of the day. Okay, final thoughts of the day are, take the small wins always, because the big ones will show up all by themselves. What does that mean? I'll tell you what it means. Some of these today were small wins, right? You're in and out in a minute, 2 minutes. Take it, especially in a sideways market. The odds of something really going parabolic and explosive in a market like this at the current time are pretty small. So take the small wins. You see the stock start to struggle a little bit, get out. Take your win and get out. Because if you can continue to make money through a sideways time like this, those big ones, they'll show up. You'll get in one, and you might not even be expecting it. You'll get in, and all of a sudden that thing's just going to rocket, and you're going to be in it, and you're going to be excited. It's going to go into a circuit breaker halt, and you're going to say, oh my God, what should I do? Should I keep it? Should I get out when it comes out? I don't know. What is it going to open at? What's it going to close at? That's all fun stuff. But speaking of circuit breakers, I always hold through the first one. Always. Almost always it goes up. If it's going up when it's in a circuit breaker, it's probably going to open going up again. It's that third one where it gets scary. Second one is 50-50. Third one, like 25% chance. So, first one, figure this way in the circuit breaker. First one, you got 75% chance it's going to go up. Second one, a 50% chance it's going to go up. Then you're gambling. Third one, about a 25% chance it's going to go up. All right? Fourth one, if you're still in it, you're out of your mind. You probably got about a 1% chance it's going to go up again. So anyway, I'm getting off track here, but take the small wins always. People love to go, I was in the market today and I got this stock. It went up 120% because I'm a genius. Oh, just stop it. Take the ones that go up 3%, 7%, 2%, 1%, 9%. Just take those. Take those and put them in the bank. That's how you build your account. That's how I built mine. Because then, if you're keeping your losses to a minimum, Then when those big ones show up, now your account just gets so fat. It gets so overweight with money that you go, gee, I'm just gonna have to like just start giving this away because I don't have enough room to keep it all. Right. Anyway, but it's important, and I just always feel like I need to talk about that. Take the small wins always. It's guaranteed money. It's in your pocket, nobody else's. And when the big one comes, you're just piling on at that point. Pile on is fun. Absolutely fun. So that's a wrap for everything today with the final thoughts, the stocks, all that good stuff. But what would be a video without the legal stuff? Look at it, read it, enjoy it. Thank God you're not that dude up there in the left-hand corner. I don't know what those guys were thinking in those days. I guess that was, I don't know. I guess they really like that look. I mean, they all dressed like that. But only if you're aristocrats. If you had money, you dressed like that. Imagine the poor slob guy who's like, like we have now. We have people that try to like overdress, and then they're wearing they're wearing a $300 outfit or $500 outfit and $19 shoes. You know what I mean? But the outfit's got a couple of wear marks where it looks like it's going to get holes in it, but it was still a very expensive outfit. Imagine those guys in those days trying to do that. Everything's all dirty and tattered, and they didn't have the types of materials we got now, so stuff would fall apart quicker. His wig's all jacked up, it's on all crooked because they don't have good mirrors and stuff. It's just I don't know. I just think about stuff like that. It's like, no, I look good. I look good. I look really good. But I guess you're done reading this crap now. So anyway, that's what it is. We're done. Life is good. Another 3-win day. It doesn't get any better than that. I hope you made money today. I really do. And we'll be back tomorrow morning. I promise. Good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. We will be back tomorrow morning to do more of this fun stuff. Have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow.